Chris Wheeler and I founded Diagnose Early 1 year ago. What Diagnose Early does is they capture the compounds in your breath, stably keeps it in a breath cartridge, and that can be used and sent to a centralized lab to examine what compounds are in your breath. You know, Chinese medicine is known for thousands of years. You could determine the health of a patient by examining their breath. Traditional Chinese medicine doctors do four things. They look, listen, smell, and check your pulse. All physicians I know have smelled cancer in a patient at one point in time in our careers. But we're not very good at determining and describing smells to other people. And I think that's inhibited the use of using smell in Western medicine. Dogs can smell 8 different types of cancer in our breaths. So Israeli scientists used 13 of these different compounds in breath, called volatile organic compounds, to determine 8 different types of cancer. So what are these compounds in your breath? Where do they come from? So as you may remember, or may not, from your chemistry class, there's alkenes, aldehydes, alcohols, all the small molecule, carbon-based molecules that actually perform all the chemical reactions in your body that keep us alive. And what they do is they float around in your blood, go to a capillary, they diffuse in, diffuse back, they come back to your lungs. And in your lungs, again, they're the size of a capillary, which is a red blood cell, and they diffuse out. But now when they diffuse out, they're distilled or captured in your breath. And every time we breathe out about 2,000 to 3,000 of these compounds. Now, if you have cancer or other neurological diseases, they're altered, and they're altered in a specific way that can be determined to show you have that type of cancer and how the disease is progressing. So our main competitor, Alstone, has raised $65 million, is based in the United Kingdom. And they, using technology for the oil and petroleum industry, capture a fraction of these VOCs, but in different ratios that are present in the body. Our technology captures the ratios that are present in the body, and we capture all of the VOCs. Now, Diagnose Early has 3 pathways to success. First, as a medical device company. Second, as a diagnostic company. And third, even bigger, as a big data AI company, as we collect all the information that is present in breath that's currently being ignored in the way we practice Western medicine. So I feel like the guy in the science fiction movie now that says, if you're seeing this, the Klingons have attacked. Well, if you're seeing this, you haven't clicked away. We're building our 2nd generation device. We're starting clinical trials at Stanford. We're planning on collecting thousands of normal patients' breath to establish a baseline of a breath baseline. So we ask anybody who's interested to come down to our lab in Newark, meet our team, see our technology, understand the physics behind how we capture 100% of VOCs, and of course, get a breath print taken. So looking forward to meeting all of you. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Diagnose Early.